Hey guys, hit the drop down menu in any video for a direct link to our eBay store. Search our store using any model, brand, or keyword. Using a mobile phone, make sure to hit your options menu and put it in desktop mode. All right, inside our eBay store now, you'll see all the items we have listed, our seller name, and our feedback. So it's very important to put it in desktop mode, or if you're searching from your desktop computer, this will be the page you see. Today's unit we are highlighting is a 2016 Sportsman 570 power steering. This unit has a lot of great parts on it. We'll click on Polaris, click on Polaris ATV, and we'll go straight to the Sportsman 570. You can search, be as broad or as specific as you would like to be. Sportsman 570 fuel. You notice you'll get some fuel pumps. Type in fuel, and now you can see all the fuel related components that we have in stock for that Sportsman 570. So I hope this helps you out. We've just listed a 2016 Sportsman 570. Feel free to browse our eBay store, and parts do go fast. Today is Wednesday, February 5th. And we have full stock on that unit at this moment, but hopefully if you don't catch them on this one, we'll have a new one coming out soon. Thanks guys.